Launching a professional website has never been easier, and in this video, I'll show you how you can create your very own in less than a day. To get started, navigate to Sites. Then we can navigate to Websites in the top toolbar. From here, click New Website. We can then create our website either from blank or from templates. We would recommend getting started with a template. Then click Continue. From here, we can see the website template library, which gives us access to thousands of different website templates across various business industries. You can filter the types of templates you want to see by navigating the categories on the left-hand side. You can also further filter your templates by selecting types and tags. Once you've found a website that you would like, click the preview button. And once you've settled on a template, go ahead and click Continue in the top right-hand side. Once your website's been created, you'll be navigated to the website editor. This is where you can add in information like your company emails, phone numbers, logos, and so much more. Each template is unique and contains various amount of text, images, and functionality that would most likely suit this type of business. But every website is built with the same core building blocks, which I'll show you now. On our lowest level, we have elements, things like images, headlines, and buttons. You can customize these elements by selecting the element and then adjusting its characteristics on the right-hand side in this toolbar. Every element has different types of characteristics, so feel free to explore all the different options you have in order to customize your elements. If you don't see an element in the template that suits your needs, feel free to add in new elements by clicking the plus icon on the left-hand side, and then selecting an element from the various elements that we have available. To add in a new element, simply select your element and drag and drop it onto your website. One level up from elements like images, text, and buttons are rows. These contain all of our elements. And then one level up from rows is columns, which contain our rows. Lastly, your website is divided into sections which house all of these bits and pieces together. You can add in any one of these parts via the menu on the left-hand side, where you can add in everything from sections, rows, and elements. When you're satisfied with your website, click Save, and then we'll click back to exit out of our website editor. Our next step is to add a domain so we can set our website live. We can do this by navigating to Settings and then clicking Add/Edit Domains. From here, we can select Connect a Domain in the top right-hand side, input our domain, click Continue, and then click Continue once more. From here, the system will find our domain in order to give us our next steps to set up our domain. The steps to connect your domain to the system will vary depending on your domain provider, but once you have added your domain records to your DNS settings, click Verify Records. Now that your domain's selected, navigate back to Settings and select your domain. Then click Save at the bottom of your screen and you'll be good to go. And just like that, you've launched your very own professional website in less than a day. We encourage you to make further adjustments like adding in new pages, improving your SEO, and customizing your website to suit your business needs. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.